Hello everybody, welcome to our Monday afternoon assembly. My name is Mrs. Naldrett. Some of you will know me, you might have seen me around the school before. I'm not a new teacher, I've been at Swafford School for quite a long time, but I've been working upstairs for a few years with the older children. And now I've come to the middle floor and I'm working with some younger children. And I'm teaching Chameleon class, who are year 2. This afternoon, I'm going to talk to you about a very special religious celebration. This afternoon, we're going to think about the Jewish faith. Now, all over the world, next week, Jewish people are going to be celebrating something called Rosh Hashanah. Rosh Hashanah. And in the Jewish religion, Rosh Hashanah is the new year. Now, unlike our new year in this country, we celebrate it on the same day every year. We celebrate our New Year on the 1st of January. But Jewish people all over the world celebrate their New Year sometime between the end of September and the beginning of October. So it's different every year. This year, it starts on Friday, the 18th of September. Now, Jewish children get so excited about the new year because lots of exciting things start to happen. First of all, you might hear children and grown-ups saying to each other, Shana Tova. Shana Tova, everybody. And in the Jewish ancient language, that means Happy New Year. Can you all say that? Shana Tova. Fabulous. Lots of other really cool things happen during Rosh Hashanah. For example, people eat a lot of these and a lot of this. Apples and honey. The apples are chopped up and dipped in the honey, and it's really delicious. Also, Jewish people, during the time of their amazing celebrations, will eat lots of special bread. Now, the bread is twisted bread. Before it's baked, the baker takes some strips and turns and twists them and plats them and makes them into a really, really beautiful loaf of bread. And it's round. And it's round because it represents the crown of God. Another thing that happens during Jewish New Year is that people blow a very, very special horn called a shofar. Now, a shofar used to be made from a hollow ram's horn. But people don't really want to go and catch rams and take their horns and use them to make a special blowing instrument. So they make their own now out of different materials. But do you know what? It is possible to make your own shofar by just rolling up a piece of paper like this and pretend to blow. And when Jewish families have been to the synagogue, that's where they worship, and made all their promises for the new year, they blow the shofar. So, New Year for Jewish people is a celebration of a time to be the best person you can be for the next year. Jewish people are celebrating the creation of the world. Every year they do this, and they think very deeply about how they can make the next year even better. So they think about what they can do to be the best me. That means, how can I change myself to be an even better person? What can I do? How can I behave? When they come home from the synagogue and they've made their promises, they will blow that special horn I talked about, and they will eat all their delicious food, and they will reflect on how they're going to make the world an even better place. And here at Swafield, we could do that as well, couldn't we? We could spend a little bit of time thinking about how we can be the best people. What I want you to do now with your teachers for 5 minutes is have a little talk about things you can do to make yourself a better person. And I promise you that Swafield School will be a better place if we all make an effort to be better people. I'm going to say bye-bye now, and I'm going to wish you all Shana Tova. Can you say that? Shana Tova. Because Rosh Hashanah, the new year, is coming, and it's coming soon at the end of the week. I'll say bye-bye now and see you next time.